Hello everyone, I am Tegan Wiedenhaft. I'm from Beloit Elementary School. I started teaching at Beloit 5 years ago, so I've completed 5 years, and all of those years in kindergarten. Some extracurricular committees that I'm in is the math committee. Currently, we are looking to adopt a new math series, and so we meet regularly to decide on a math series. Right now we have Go Math, and nobody really likes it. So if any of you have good ideas, let me know and I could pass it along to my committee. Also, this past year, we were trying to decide on a reading program. So the reading program that we decided on was Fountas and Pinnell, so we are starting that in August, and we're super excited about that. The most influential people in my life are definitely my parents. My mom is a super hard worker. She has worked hard her whole life and to provide for our family with a smile on her face every step of the way. So as we were growing up, she had her own daycare, and I loved to help her with her daycare, and that kind of inspired me to become a teacher. I liked to see my mom and how she interacted with the kids, and so I knew that I wanted to work with kids somehow when I grew up to be an adult, and now I'm a teacher. My dad, he also is an influential person to me because he's a super hard worker, just like my mom. He runs his own business and he started from basically nothing and now has a business large enough to have probably 10 different guys working for him full time. And he, again, works super hard every single day and he has a goal in mind and he does whatever he needs to do to reach that goal. My dad also is probably one of the most positive people in my life. He pushes me and always tries to make me feel the best about how I'm doing, and that's kind of why I'm doing the master's program actually, because my dad pushed and pushed, and he wanted me to do it, so I was like, okay, I'll do it. After taking the personality test, it was kind of fun. I liked to see the results. My highest area was agreeableness, and that's described as somebody who is optimistic and friendly. And I feel as a teacher, we all are kind of optimistic and friendly. We have to be. And so that fit me. That was pretty spot on. My lowest area was intellect and imagination. And I can see that because I'm not an abstract thinker. I like things to be pretty traditional, but I would say it kind of worried me because I am a kindergarten teacher and I feel like imagination should be high. And so I was a little worried, but um, I am a traditional person and like things to be routine, and so the abstract part of that is probably why it was lowest. Um, so the two leadership theories that I thought described me best was authentic leadership theory and servant leadership theory. They do align well with my personality test with agreeableness because both leadership theories think positive and they always have others in mind as they make a decision, and that's definitely matches the personality test in the two that I chose. Um, I feel like teachers have to have the mindset of thinking positive and keeping others in mind with everything they do in their classroom, whether it's with the kids and their behaviors or with how the classroom runs in general. And so those two that I picked definitely fit me best and how I run my life. I have loved doing both the digging deep into the leadership theories and the personality test because I'm finding out things I didn't know about myself, or I did know about myself, but didn't really understand. So this has been fun for me so far to learn about the different leadership theories, and I like to look at other people's videos too and see how we are in common or how we're different.